What's up, everybody? It's your boy mekelkasanova back again with another video. Hawaii's favorite YouTuber, and I'm about to do another unboxing. Now, if you guys remember, I've got a really good relationship with iBUYPOWER. One of my first unboxings, actually I think it was my second unboxing, when I first got into YouTube about almost 2 years ago, well, roughly 2 years ago, was the iBUYPOWER gaming desktop. Now, I had the BB905 unit, and it was really good. It served me really well, but you know, it was time for an upgrade and to pass it off to someone who would actually make some good use of it. So, shout out to iBUYPOWER. This one is a Trace 941 unit. Now this one's got a 1080 graphics card. And it's the 8 gig dedicated card. It's also got about 256 gigs of an SSD for the OS, a 1 terabyte hard drive, which don't worry about that. We're gonna upgrade because I got 2 additional hard drives and I'm gonna slap it to this bad boy. And not only that, but it has 16 gigs of RAM, so it's a 2400 hertz. It's a DDR4, which is not bad. I'm gonna upgrade that to about 32 gigs of RAM eventually. And other than that, man, this is phenomenal. It's got the 7.1 capability of audio, and I'm just hyped. So shout out to iBUYPOWER for this, because man, I'm so hyped to go ahead and get into this box. So if you're ready, I'm ready. You ready to do it? I'm ready to do it. Let's get to it. Let's unbox this. Roll the intro video. Go ahead and get into this box. Hyped to get in here. The first thing that's in the box, there's this keyboard here. I'm honestly not a fan of this keyboard, so I'm not going to even bother with using it. I already got my Razer, my Black Widow, and I'm not going to use this. So we'll put this to the side. Your quick start guide. Come out. So the antenna for the Wi-Fi. Got the Zeus E2. Now their mice are really good, so I can't knock it. I'm gonna use this mouse. This is the Zeus E2. This is a precision mouse, so not too bad. Comes with the computer. Go ahead and unzip this. So another wireless antenna. Oh snap! You gotta come with this? Yo, I can control the RGB with this. This is dope. This is dope. Yo, check that. That's dope. Power cord. I get a free gift. I just got to register it. So I got the, comes with the GPU tweak. Grab that. The Windows reinstallation. That's cool. moment we've been waiting for. Big old gal about to come out and show us. Oh my lord. Oh, look at this. Ain't this beautiful? Look at this. Look, that's gorgeous. Look at the side. Look at the back. This is a gorgeous tower. Let's go ahead and set this up. As you can see, the outside part here, this is all tempered glass. I'm gonna leave this film on for the simple fact that in Hawaii we have different things you have to worry about. I mean, most places have to worry about dust, you know, dander, cat hair, and whatnot. We also have to worry about something out here called fog, which is the volcanic ash, which tends to damage a lot of stuff. So we're just gonna keep this film on here. But if we pull it to the back here, so you've got the two antenna inputs here. You've got your DVI and HDMI inputs, so two DVI ports, two HDMIs. You have a DVI. Four expansion bays. So if I want to put like a 1080 Ti or another 1080 in here, I can easily do so. So if I remove this, there's all the different ports that we have here. One of the really cool features that I like about this Tracer 941 is the fact that it comes with a wireless remote. Now with this, you'll be able to change the different coloring of the RGB. You can do different strobe effects. As you can see, I have it cycling here. And it has a IR input or reader here. And then there's the IR there. So basically you just point at it. So if I want to do flashing, I can do that. If I want to switch it to strobe, I make it strobe. If I want it to fade, I can make it fade. Or if I want it to go smooth, if I want to just turn it off, back on, or cycle through the colors. All of it is very much possible. It's pretty cool. Other thing about this, and I'll show you over here, is it's magnetic on its side. So if I want to just put it here, I can. That's pretty cool. All in all, I'd say the Trace 941 is an awesome pre-built computer. Again, shout outs to iBUYPOWER for hooking up with it. And yeah, it does everything I need to do. I'm able to run Doom 4K, 60 frames per second, max settings, and it looks gorgeous. Everything I want to run, I can run at max settings thanks to a 1080 graphics card with 8 gigs of memory. So I think it's an awesome computer. So what do you guys think? Why don't you guys tell me down in the description below. If you like this video, if you have more questions about the computer or anything, just let me know and I will catch you in the next one. This is Mekel Casanova, Hawaii's favorite YouTuber, signing out. I'll see you